What's the meaning of cleverness? Cleverness. Cleverness.
Cleverness. Cleverness. Cleverness refers to the ability to quickly and skillfully understand, learn, and apply knowledge or concepts. It is often associated with intelligence and a quick wit, as well as the ability to think creatively and solve problems effectively. Cleverness can be demonstrated in various ways, such as through witty remarks, innovative solutions to complex issues, or adept maneuvering in social situations. However, it is important to note that cleverness alone does not guarantee success, as it must be coupled with hard work, determination, and integrity to achieve meaningful results.